Open the Resources panel and click Barcodes. Then select a barcode and head over to the Properties panel. Under the barcode name, you can set a fixed value to visualize what it will look like. Click the More Options icon. Please note, based on the barcode you select, you may see different settings. You can show or hide its value, select a bar height, and magnification. In addition, you can set a quiet zone for all sides simultaneously, or set a different value for each individual side. Last but not least, you can select a blend mode, as well as a fill and background color.